Hey guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with another Unity tutorial. And in today's tutorial we're going to do something really simple, which is displaying time. Now while this might seem very simple, actually formatting the time to show how it's displayed is a little bit more complex. It's not complicated, but if you don't know how to do it, you'll spend a lot of time looking it up. Now, as you can see, I displayed the time, but I displayed it in this particular format. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this format and any other format that you want to display the time in. So let's go into Visual Studios, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Now, before that, all we have here is just a simple panel with Text Mesh Pro and, for text, and that's it. Okay, let's go into Visual Studios. Now we're here in Visual Studios, and this is all the code you need to display the time. We have our variable right here for the Text Mesh Pro. It's important you put the using statement for to get the Text Mesh Pro, which is different from Unity's normal UI. We have a string that's just gonna hold our time to display. And in the start method, here's where the code is. We get the time to display and we make it equal the system date time now. Now I'm just using the time that it is now for simplicity, but this right here formats the time. This particular code tells it we just want to show the month, the date, and the year in that particular format. And then right here we just tell the Text Mesh Pro to equal that time. Now the important bit is this right here. And I'm going to go into another page and I'm going to show you one that shows you every code so you could display the time in any format you want. It's not complicated, but if you don't know about this right here and all these particular codes, then you'll be looking at how to display the time in a particular format forever. So I'm just going to show you the page, the website, that'll show you every single code it is for this. Okay, we're here, and this is the website that will show you how to display the time in any format that you want. As you can see, they have all the different formats here, and I found this very helpful, which is why I saved it as a favorite, and I come back to it whenever I want to display the time in a certain format. You can see they have everything here, year, month, everything, day, year, month, time, military time. It also explains the pattern for how it's set up. I don't really use this too much because normally I just pick one of these and then I put it into the string format and it does everything I need it to do. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you would like to see some of the video games I made, check the description down below. Thank you for watching.